Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to this video review. In particular, I am here to talk to all my male friends. Maybe you already reached that certain age in your lives that you need to start taking care of your prostate, of your vitality, your libidos. So, if you've realized that lately you do have some sort of issues there, maybe you have some issues with your prostate. I don't know, maybe you have some issues with your bladder, with your energy not being enough, or you just don't have it in you, your libido and your stamina levels are actually really, really low. I'm here today to help you out because there's this incredible supplement known as the FlowForce Max that is kind of like a chewable candy that you can treat yourselves. It is a treatment and it needs to be taken serious, although it is like a chewable candy, which is delicious. So stay right there because I'm going to be showing you today the wonders of FlowForce Max, and I don't want you to miss out on important infos, important details, and so forth, okay? Now, FlowForce Max has an official webpage. I've got it here on my computer. I'm looking at it. So I copied that link for you guys and pasted it in the description box just down here below. Because if you do want to purchase FlowForce Max, the safest place to be getting it today is directly on their official webpage, okay? I know there are other places on the internet that are selling it, but you can't trust them all, guys. I mean, if you don't purchase something that is not original, it could lead to bad side effects or no results at all, and you just lost your money. The official webpage offers you a refund if you need it, and it sells the original product. Okay, so here's the link. Now, FlowForce Max, it is an innovative, natural, and effective way to address your prostate issues, right? So it's going to also help you to increase your energy, your libido, and your vitality. But what is really amazing is actually FlowForce Max's base, the ingredients. You see, FlowForce Max has a really great, powerful prostate supporting formula. So it's luteolin, it's phycin, monolaurin, oregano leaf, grape seed, vine nitrox, it's tricalcium phosphorate, sucralose, perilla leaf extract. These are some of the ingredients that contain in it, and these ingredients are really great antioxidant ingredients that for a man's body is crucial. So it can help you with your nitric oxide, that can help you have better blood flow, that can help you with erections, that can help you with libido and stamina levels so that you can have a better sex life again. But FlowForce Max is really amazing when it comes to helping you treat or support prostate issues like bladder problems, enlarged prostate. So you just have to remember that every day you're going to chew on one of these candies and that's it. And the recommended treatment is 3 or 6 months, okay? So you have to remember that, and it needs to be taken seriously. You can't just forget about taking it. You have to take 1 tablet each and every day, okay, friends? Plus, guys, you do have a money back guarantee. It's 60 days in total. So if FlowForce Max is not, up to your standards, what you thought it would be, you can request your money back on the official webpage. But let me tell you this, guys, up to this day, there hasn't been a single guy out there complaining about FlowForce Max. Because if you buy the original one, the results you're going to get are going to be amazing. You're going to have a lot of energy, vitality, disposition, so that, yes, your performance is going to really be improved as well. So what are you waiting for? Visit the link I left right here. Thanks for watching. If you have some sort of doubts, if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below for us to help you out, okay? For now, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.